Hello guys, so for today's video ay pag-uusapan natin ang geometric sequence. Ano nga ba ang geometric sequence? A geometric sequence, also known as geometric progression, is a set of terms in which each term after the first is obtained by multiplying the preceding term by the same fixed number called the common ratio, which is commonly represented by R. The general term or the end term of the geometric sequence is given by a sub n is equal to a sub 1 times r raised to n minus 1, where a sub n is the end term, a sub 1 is the first term, n is equal to the number of term, and r is equal to the common ratio. I will give you examples. Example 1. The number pattern 1, 2, 4, 8, 16 is a geometric sequence. Bakit? Kasi napapansin nyo, tinatimes lang siya sa 2 to get the next term. 1 times 2, 2. 2 times 2, 4. 4 times 2, 8. And 8 times 2, 16. 2 is multiplied nga to any term of to get the next term. Therefore, we can say that 2 is the common ratio. The common ratio may be an integer or fraction, negative or positive. It can be found by dividing any term by the term that precedes it. The number line on the next page illustrates the sequence. Each term, except the first term, is found by multiplying the previous term by 2. 1 times 2 is 2. 2 times 2 is 4. 4 times 2 is 8. 8 times 2 is 16. Using the picture above, we illustrated and proved that the common ratio is equal to 2. Since the common ratio is 2 and the first term is 2, therefore, 1 times 2 is equal to 2. This is the second term. 2 times 2 is equal to 4. This is the third term. 4 times 2 equals to 8. This is the fourth term. 8 times 2 is equal to 16. This is the fifth term. 6 times 2 is equal to 32. This is the sixth term. And 32 times 2 is equal to 64. This is the seventh term. Next example. Example 2. In the sequence 3, 8, 13, 18, 23. There is no common ratio among the terms. However, there is a common difference of 5. To prove, let us have the following solution. D equals 23 minus 18 is equal to 5. D equals 18 minus 13 is equal to 5. D equals 13 minus 8 is equal to 5. D equals 8 minus 3 is 5. Dahil nga nag-a-add lang ng common difference, isa siyang arithmetic sequence, hindi geometric sequence. Example 3. In the sequence negative 20, 10, negative 5, the common ratio is blank. To prove that, let us have the following solution. R is equal to 5, 2 divide negative 5 is equal to 5, 2 times negative 5 equal to negative 1 half. Next, R is equal to negative 5 over 10. Lowest term is equal to negative 1 half. Next term, R is equal to 10 over negative 20. Lowest term is equal to negative 1 half. Thus, we prove that the common ratio is negative 1 half and the sequence is a geometric sequence. Example 4. Determine if there is a common ratio or common difference in 6, 12, 14, 28. To prove us that, let us have the following solutions. Let us solve for the common arithmetic. D is equal to 28 minus 14 is equal to 14. D is equal to 14 minus 12 equals to 2. D is equal to 12 minus 6 is equal to 6. Ang kanyang common difference ay hindi magkakatulad, so hindi siya arithmetic sequence. Let us solve for the common geometric. R is equal to 28 divide 14 is equal to 2. R is equal to 14 divide 12 in lowest term 7 over 6. R is equal to 12 divide 6 is equal to 2. So hindi siya magkakatulad ng common ratio. So siya ay hindi siya either arithmetic or geometric sequence. Thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. Please do like, share, and subscribe.